Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss scope rules in Java. The scope of a variable is part of a program where the variable is used. A variable defined inside a method is called as a local variable. The scope of a local variable starts from its declaration and continues in the end of the block that contains the variable. That is, scope of a local variable will be limited to the block. Okay? And the variable which is defined inside a method is called variable. Suppose this is a method and we have defined variable x. This is a local variable. A local variable must be declared and assign a value before it is used. So whenever you have to use a local variable, you have to assign some value to it. And parameters are also local variables and their scope is the whole method. So these are some rules. We call it as scope rules in Java, and this will be cleared with the help of an example. You can see here, this is a main method. In main method we have defined local one variable. So the scope of this local one variable will be for this whole block. Okay, then after that we have defined if structure, and in this if block we have defined a variable. As this variable is defined in a block, this is a local variable and its scope will be limited to this if block only. Next we have defined a for loop and we have initialized a local variable in this for loop. So the scope of this local variable 3 is limited to this for loop. In the same way, we can define a local variable in nested block also. For example, in this if block I have defined this local variable. Its scope will be limited to this if structure, and if again I am define another if structure and I can also define one local variable, so its scope will be limited to this if loop only, if structure only. So this is how you can say, see here that the scope of local variable will be limited to the block. And we can also make a statement that a smaller block can access a bigger block. Okay, means this suppose this for loop, we can say in this for loop we can use this local variable also, because the scope of this local variable is throughout this block, but the variable defined in this block cannot be used outside this block. We can say bigger block cannot access a smaller block. So this is a concept behind scoping rules. That is how the scope of a variable will be decided, what is local variable, how it is defined, initialized and used. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more videos on this topic.